Hello everybody, Maximilian here. Welcome to the biggest and greatest YouTube channel about replicas on YouTube. So in this video I'll be showing you exactly step by step on how you can buy the products on CNFans. It is super simple. Every one of you after watching this video will know how to order the stuff, order the items on CNFans. And don't worry guys, they're not scammers. I actually bought a lot of products throughout the last 2 years from the CNFans and everything came to me perfectly fine. So sit, relax and enjoy. So what exactly is the CNFans? CNFans is a middleman. It's not a store. They're not offering you any exact products or purchase. They're only the middleman. So it works this way. First of all, you buy the items from a specific seller in China, and then the item comes to the warehouse so that you can get the QC pictures, get to know the quality of the stuff, get to know the exact product dimensions, and then if you are fine with the quality of the item, if you are okay with it, you can ship it out to your address. Whether you are from the United States, whether you are from Russia, whether you are from Australia, Europe, it doesn't matter. CNFans can ship everywhere you are. Okay, so now how do you buy your first item? And generally speaking, in order to buy an item on CNFans, first you've got to have the link. And in my spreadsheet, you have over 3,000 different items where you can get the links to. As you can see, they're so well categorized by everything. You've got the pants, shoes, shorts, underwear, jersey, everything is here. Also have the price and the photos of that item that you want to buy, so it's all easy and very fast to find the product you want to buy. With that said, let's say I want to purchase this exact Lacoste hoodie. Nothing easier than that. All I've got to do is just press on the CNFans page link here, and as you can see, it directs me into this exact hoodie. Now I can see the weight for the product and the arrival time to the warehouse, as you can see. And now I need to check the color boxes. So let's say I want to get the gray top, and as you can see here, we've got some different ones available if you want to purchase those. And yes, we even have the pants to be purchased here, so it's all available here on this link. But for me, I just simply want to get the gray top. Now as for the size, let's hit the L size, and as you can see, the price increases just a bit. If you want, you can always just favorite the product and save it for later. Now down in here, you've got more pictures of that item. Once we have it all selected, simply scroll down till you see the check and agree, and then simply click on buy now. Now please select confirm, select your CNFans warehouse destination, and then I have read and agreed, and click on buy now. As you can see, the price increased by like $2. It's the shipping fee that you have to pay from the seller to the warehouse. Now you can use the balance, debit card, Google Pay, Alipay, Skrill or Pix, and you've got also more and more payment methods if you want to use those. I will simply use the balance. As you can see, my order has been completed and now it's paid. All we've got to do now is to wait. If I go to my orders, I will see my order that I just have purchased, but also we've got some other orders that I have purchased recently. As you can see, some of them are still on pending, so the item hasn't been shipped yet to the warehouse, but some of them have already arrived in the warehouse, like this one for example. As you can see, it is checked as the quality inspection have been passed, and now I can see all the QC pictures. I can decide whether I want to keep this item or I want to return it. You will receive such pictures for every item you will buy on CNFans page. If you want, you can always ask for the added services like a video QC or extra photos, or maybe you want to remove the label. It's also possible. Now once you head over into the warehouse tab like this, you can see all of your items that are already in the warehouse. If you're ready to ship them out, simply select them all. At this point, you're probably wondering what the rehearsal is. The rehearsal is just a rehearsal of packaging, meaning they will pack the package first, they will pack all of the items, they will know exact weight and volume of the package, and they will tell you the exact price you need to pay for the shipping. So click on the rehearsal. So once you click on the rehearsal, it all looks like this. You confirm your address, and then you have to select the shipping line that you want to use. In my case, I want to use the DHL. It's the fastest, safest and least expensive route for my destination. For yours, it might differ. Also, I recommend the InPost, and the DPD is fine. Don't use UPS or some Chinese ones. They usually do not deliver the packages on time, and also the shipping is super expensive, so I recommend you guys using the DHL. As you can see, the rehearsal is $3 only, but it's worth it. You will save so much by using the rehearsal. And if you want to save even more money on shipping, you can always remove the packaging if you want to. You can always do the value services as peel cotton or folding the shoe or adding the shoe trees if you want to. It's all available here on CNFans. There are always options of carton reinforcement or vacuuming if you want the extra safety on the package. Once your shipping rehearsal is done, you gotta head over into the parcel tab here in the parcels, and you will see an option to pay for the shipping. So just like this, you have to pay for the shipping at this point. You can use the coupons, you can use the code MAX if you want to save on some shipping, and also it is the lowest price you will pay for the shipping, so don't worry about it. You did great, you did rehearsal, you are all set and ready to enjoy your haul. After that, you will also receive the QC pictures of the parcel you have paid for. So as you can see in the picture, I've got all of my items that I have shipped previously. You can see how they are packed. They all look nice and ready to be shipped. You also get the weight picture, so you can see exactly what's the weight of the package that they are about to ship to you. And yes, once you have paid for the shipping, this is how it all looks like at this point. You can always contact the person that have shipped your items. You can ask him for the tracking number, how is it all going and stuff, so no worries about. You get the full weight, the billing weight, and the volume here, so it's all nice and available here for you to track everything. Also, the tracking number is here, so yeah, once you click on the details, this is how it all looks like. You've got the package status, as you can see for this one it is received, and you've got the tracking number here as well. You can use the other apps like Track 17 if you want to on your iPhone to track the package. No problems whatsoever for that. Everything is available here on the CNFans page as well. And yeah, after like 14 days you will receive your package. At this point, once you receive your package, it's all super nice for you. You can enjoy your haul, you can unbox it, you can enjoy it, you can even record a video and share it with your friends or people on internet. As you can see here, you can apply for the reward. So yeah, you can get like a couple of dollars back that you can use on the next shipping or whatever you want to. With that said, thank you so much for watching to this beautiful ultimate video on how to purchase the items on CNFans. As you can see, it is super simple, super safe, self-explanatory to just use CNFans, and once you get to know how it all works, it will be much simpler for you to buy another package. Also, don't forget about the links down in the description. You have the link to my spreadsheet. You've got hundreds of different beautiful items there, over 3,000 different items. Also, if you get such a pop-up warning, you can always just install my software, which is a Chrome extension that removes automatically the pop-up blockade on the CNFans, so you can order the exact item that you want to without any issues. It all just works fine this way. Thank you so much. Leave a like, leave me a follow. If you have any questions, simply ask me in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And with that said, enjoy your day, have a great time, and buy more hauls and CNFans. See you in the next video. Bye.